something new, and I'm very excited to be currently in Iron Shopping Mall to show you this diamond ring under this usual shopping mall. Usual shopping mall lights, now you can really see how fiery the Oval 8 diamond is going to be, and the Oval 8 is specially designed to actually achieve this sort of extreme brightness and also scintillation right now, that you can actually notice that no matter how we tilt it at any degree, it is just going to be reflecting extremely chunky fire, and that is the way that the Oval 8 has been designed to achieve its highest light performance possible for the shape itself. Now, the Oval 8 out of the entire White series line also does produce one of the largest, boldest spark, and this is why you'll see how mesmerizing and dazzling it's going to be as we tilt the ring just very slightly all around. The Oval 8 is actually going to produce exceptionally large and bold distinctive fire that you can definitely see from a very far distance. In your typical home and office lighting condition, this is how you're gonna see your diamond ring under a more diffused white light, and we're featuring this Oval 8 right now, and you can see that the 8 hearts and arrows effect of the diamond creates this exceptional contrast that creates a really well-balanced distribution in light and dark areas. Now, on this Oval 8, it is cut to have complete zero light leakage, just like every other White series diamond, and this is why the diamond is just going to look exceptionally bright and white no matter how we tilt it, even though this is actually a G colored diamond. Now, on this band design, you can also actually see that there are some complementing diamonds along the side profile. It's currently set in a channel pave setting on a knife edge band, which is a slight asymmetrical twist. The overall band design really complements and highlights the main diamond, as you can see that the side profile also has the prongs shaped and designed to have a gentle resemblance to two swans embracing the main diamond for a more romantic and sweet gesture for an engagement ring. Now, you also see that on the side profile of the band, the knife edge does run all the way throughout from the top to the bottom for a more uniform look. And while the band does have some mealy diamonds on the side, you'll notice that it further complements the entire overall look rather than overshadowing the main diamond. While there are some mealy diamonds on the band, because of the way the diamonds are angled and tilted, it further complements the diamond rather than overshadowing it. Here's how the diamond ring is going to look when you have it under a direct LED lighting, and you can see that the 8 arrows of the Oval 8 now flares up very beautifully. It creates an array of flashes all around the edges because the Oval 8 is designed also to achieve an edge-to-edge scintillation. So you notice that all the crown facets, even from the center table, every part is just reacting to the light, and this is just going to look extremely dazzling and really mesmerizing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video coming along with me to experience the different lighting in your daily life, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching!